So welcome back, you guys. What I'm going to show today is how to do a basic text logo, and I'm getting into Canva. It's pulling up some templates, but I'm going to use a basic white background to create that text logo. So basically what I'm going to do is go ahead and put in adding of a text. So I'm going to go ahead and click on add text. I'm just simply going to type in my business name, which is Jefe Bae. So we're going to get that typed in. Once we get that typed in for that basic text logo, I'm going to play with the positioning, play with the font, play with the size to get that basic text logo to what what you want, whatever color to begin with, size, font, whatever, style you're looking for. So I'm going to play with everything, get it adjusted, so that way we can save it and use this basic text logo into different things. I'm going to attach another video to this video to show you what to do with this basic text logo once you have it. But once again, when you create the basic text logo, you can always change the size, the font, the color, and also in our previous video we talked about the branding kit and your color palettes. Your logo is a part of that brand kit, so I'm going to go down into the color palettes we created from the last video and just play with the colors a little bit to show you how that comes into play. So once you get, the color, I'm going to go back to that standard black. You can save it and we'll get into the next video. So now that we have our basic text logo we created, what we're going to do with this logo, or you're probably wondering what to do with this text on this white page. What you can do then is add backgrounds and videos and still edit into that text. So what I'm going to show you now is we're going to go ahead and update it with the background. So we're going to say go with Valentine's Day because it's February. So we're going to go ahead and update that background, and give me a second. So let me slide the background in correctly to take up the full page. Alrighty, so now that we have that background updated, as you can see, your text logo, that basic text logo, is still there. And now you have it on this cool background, and you have your brand, that logo, on that background. So what you can simply do with it now is play with it. You guys know, change the font, change the color, change the position of it on this background, and go ahead and place it where you'll like it to be. Now what you can do, because you're like, okay, so now we have a cute Valentine's background and a logo there. So now what you can do is say add more text to this background, or words or something to speak to whatever background you choose. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and I'm going to type in love is in the air. Because what's going to happen now, you have a really cute background. You have that basic text logo there to represent your brand. You'll have love is in the air. And you can post this once you get everything edited out and saved. You can post this to your website if you want it. You can post it to your business social media platforms, and to give like a cute little post for the day, because you always want to have content coming out on your page. So you can definitely then add it to your page and just do a cute little update, check people's agenda, say for Valentine's Day. So, hey guys, what do you have planned for Valentine's Day, to try to get people engaged. But once again, we're talking about that basic text logo. So on that content you'll create it, once again, you'll have your basic text logo. You'll have a really cute background for whatever you're trying to display or convey. And then you'll be able to get people to engage. So now that we have that love is in the air showing for you guys, I'm going to continue to edit on it and change the color to it. Up in the right hand corner will be that basic text logo we created. And once again, you'll get everything saved. You can play with the positioning of it before you save it, the text and the color of it before you save it. But I'm just really just putting something together for you guys to show you what to do with that basic text logo you created. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you.